Hey everybody, it's Peter here with Goodereader.com, and this is a little bit of a follow-up tutorial on the new Goodereader audio reader app. And we're not using a screen capture this time because people had trouble following us with where we were touching on the screen. So what you want to do about importing books is you touch the little three dots up at the top. You touch that and then you have add or import file. We like to go to File Manager because this scans the files of your actual device, be it a tablet or a smartphone. I'm going to go to my download section because this is where I have kind of everything sitting, and you can see that anything that is an EPUB or a PDF or a MOBI or any file formats we support, you simply just click on it and away it goes. So I'm going to go click on my PDF here, and what I've done is it immediately imported my car PDF that I have here. Everything's really quick to pinch and zoom. There's not much rendering time or buffering time. Everything kind of whips around really quick. This is just a car PDF I used as a placeholder. And when you click back and you go to your PDF section, I hope you've named it better than I have, but it will be named what your file was, and then it'll always be there, so you can delete it and all that kind of stuff as well. Just by pressing and holding and then saying yes to the delete, you can get rid of that. Preloaded on here is the user guide. This will tell you how to do everything. So we have a user guide here that we've designed on importing books. Plug in your device, scan, drag and drop, and then import your content. So we do have all this kind of laid out for you, but it's kind of nice to see a video representation of that. So I hope this kind of shed some light on the whole importing books thing, and if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know.